So it's my birthday today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run 30 kilometers over to that mountain and up it. My original plan was to ride my bike 15K and go to that mountain right there, and then run up to the top and run down, ride back. So it'd be 15K each way, plus, oh, there's my kids. Oh, look at kids. But then we got snow yesterday, and at least some of the side roads are going to be too sketchy for the road bike. Right, Lorelai?
Right.
You gonna say hi? No, you can't have it. I'm using it today. You gonna say hi? Hi. The first thing I gotta do is have some breakfast. Actually, I already did that. I gotta drop this wiggle off at school. Oh, you want to be in too? There you go. There's another kid in. It's hard to see from here, but that is the Molson building and I crossed the highway. So my house is like through the trees over this way. I think we're gonna shoot a time lapse. On the way down, I think we'll shoot a time lapse to give you the whole view down. We'll see. Battery looks good. I got 33 minutes left of video though, so we shall see. So we finished off the 30K run in about 4.5 hours. My water froze, some of my food was frozen, so I couldn't eat it. I had like these, I don't know, they're like gummy bears, they're chews. They're like rocks, couldn't even have them. So we're back now. Also, my back pocket was sweaty enough that the GoPro with the touchscreen stayed on. It's currently in Spanish. I'm gonna figure out how to turn it back to English. Evidently I navigated the menus in my back pocket and now we've got it charging a little bit, but I'm starving, so let's go figure it. It's also changed. It's now at 1440 instead of 4K, so I don't even know about that. I have to figure out that whole menu thing again. But first we're gonna pizza. I'm gonna go grab some, probably shower, and pizza and a pop. I gotta go to Starbucks to get my free coffee for my birthday. Time to go back to bed. Let's go. Back to bed. Come on. You want mommy to put you back to bed? Okay.